The Infinix GT10 Pro is officially here and will be available for pre-order starting August 3. Here's our quick first look of the phone. According to Infinix, the first 5,000 customers will get a gaming kit along the GT10 Pro. This kit includes a carry case, shoulder triggers and finger sleeves for an enhanced gaming experience. The GT10 Pro itself ships with a transparent case, extra screen protector, stickers, a 45-watt charger and a Type-C cable. Coming to the smartphone, the Infinix GT10 Pro is the first phone in the GT series to launch in India. It is available in two colors, Cyber Black and Mirage Silver. It has a MediaTek Dimensity 8050 SoC along with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The phone has a 10-bit Full HD plus 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and up to 360Hz touch sampling rate. The display is set to support a peak brightness of 900 nits. The Infinix GT10 Pro has a triple rear camera setup with a 108MP primary camera and 2MP camera sensors on the back and a 32MP front camera with dual flash. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery and 45-watt charging. It runs on XOS 13 for GT, which is based on Android 13. Infinix says it has cut down on the number of pre-installed apps for a less bloated software experience. Infinix has confirmed that the GT10 Pro will only get the Android 14 update and 2 years of security updates. For a better gaming experience, Infinix has equipped the GT10 Pro with the Z-axis linear motor for enhanced vibration feedback in games. The phone also has stereo speakers. The Infinix GT10 Pro has launched in India at an aggressive price of Rs 19,999 and customers can get it for even less through instant discounts via select bank offers. That's all we have in today's video. Do share your thoughts about the newly launched smartphone in the comments below. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.